Hi guys, today we are going to be joining our friends and playing Adopt Me. So I'm going to join this friend and get ready. So I'm going to do loads of trading, just doing stuff with my friends and having fun. I'm excited they're on because, yeah. So, they haven't been on for a bit, so they've probably either just joined or been there for like a couple of minutes. And yeah, I can't wait to play. So, let's see. And join, be a parent. Oh yay, my friend teleported me. I'm gonna say hi. Hi. Oh, they're writing. Having fun? I know. Oh yeah, I think my have a friend. Yay, my have a friend. Hi. Hi. Okay, I don't know what this is. Do you have an off-free koala? Yeah. Yeah. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and trade my friend. Now I know my friend's not a scammer, so I can put in my offer. And I think she'll really want this pet. It was Robux, but I think she's gonna like it. So I'm gonna accept. Does she? Does she want it? Yay, she accepted. Yay! Happy you get Look, she's so happy she's dancing. Yeah. I'm gonna go to the bottom of the chat, see if it's the top.
Hey, someone's having one of those parties.
Someone's going to like scam people. Oh look, my friend's got this really cool fly ride mega neon cat. I'm trying to make a neon snow cat with all my pets. I don't have many pets. I'm not like one of those people. I'm gonna exit home and go to the town, see if there's anyone there who... Wait. Maybe I'll just go this way. Who has a good trade for some of my pets. I could trade 4 of one pet. Maybe they can make a neon, give away things. I'm not sure. I'm gonna trade him because I already have that pet. So why don't we get to going through the exit? Oh, there's so many people here. Not many, actually. Let me see, what's your pet? I know this is how to stream, but I don't know if it's fly ride or anything. I don't think it is. I want to trade her. I want to see her pet. I'm crazy to see what your pet is. Oh my god, someone's got a giraffe. Oh, I love giraffes. Hey, cool. No, they're gonna be there, aren't they? Decline, I mean. Oh. I'm gonna do that trade because I really want a griffin. Oh yes, finally. Yes. Oh, I'm so happy I did that. There's my friend with her sloth. Yeah. Oh look, what is that? Is that like a heron? Now I have this cool flowered griffin. I can't wait. I'm gonna go camping because I need it. So I'm gonna show you the way to the campsite. Let's get out my banana truck. And let's drive. So, when we're at the campsite, we're gonna have, I don't know. I'm not gonna go to the camp shop. I need to get my pet, or it won't come. And the camping won't work because I'm not the one who needs the camping, my pet is. Now, if you're new to Adopt Me or new to Roblox even, then I recommend Adopt Me as one of your first games. It's really fun and enjoyable. You can trade, but remember, we might make a video about how people can scam and how you don't want to get in that situation, especially in Roblox. I don't think I have any drinks out right now, so what am I going to do? I'll probably go to the shops once I finish camping. Oh look, there's my friend. She's this bubble. I think I had one. Yeah, they're really fast. Woo. I don't want to go out yet because we're going to have bubble race. See if she'll... That's one of my friends. I mean sisters. So, off we go. There's a pitch. One next to the campsite. But I want to be going this way. To the store. Whee! Oh, my friend isn't here. Well, she might be coming. Oh, I can't find her. She didn't come. ABC trade for a ride soon. ABC? I mean, I do provide for a pet. So here at the shop, there are loads of drinks. I'm just gonna get a soda or two, but it's really low price, I'd say. I'm just feeding her. Cash register guy, what do you got to say? I like to see what people have got to say. Hello, welcome to Green Groceries. Buy anything you want. It will make you feel less hungry or thirsty. Yeah. That's not really... No, I don't need to be hearing me. So if I jump in my bubble... Oh no, my pet. I've got to pick it up. Stop moving. There we go. Oh, there's a train. I have a train, but I'm not thinking about it right now. I'm just gonna drive in my bubble. Oh, that is so cool. Someone has like Megan and Beth alive. I'm not gonna all that. I'm not going to go to do anything. ABC if you have Dalmatian. Oh, I really want a Dalmatian for my friend. Also, I want a Frost for my friend. Oh, come on. We'll just jump. I need two things out of it. Why don't I start actually by showing you the water park, because it's not too far away. My friend's actually talking to me on this. But yeah. She's calling me by my role model name that we play games with. Because we always like to play together. Obviously, we haven't been doing it for a while because of COVID. So let's wait for this to finish. I'm going to show you some really cool plays that people who even might already play Adult Me might not know about, probably won't. I mean, there's this little gap here, but that's not what I'm talking about. I'm going to show you magic behind a waterfall. So you just see there's this really cool slide in the middle of the waterfall, and you can't see it from down below. Oh, I finished it, but I'm going to bring you to the top. And next time we need it, we will show you a new way. And teleport to me. So we have roleplay names, me and my friend. Hers is Lily. Mine's Emily. I don't know, one of my school friends calls it. Oh god, I'm going absolutely crazy. Oh, that is crazy. So that's one way to get there. And now if you see up here, at the top, I've got this sick thing. I'm feeling sick right now. I need to go to the hospital. I think I just made someone sick. Or did someone make me sick? I have no idea. Whichever one, it's not going to be easy. My friend keeps teleporting to me. If I forget... I do! I don't often have a I have an offer? I don't know. Maybe. So these are healing apples. You can find them in the play. Where I am right here in the hospital, this is the only place you can find them. But this isn't the only way here to look after your pet. So there's the healing apple, and then there's a door here. What does this lead to? A room. Now if you lie down there, put your pet down in there, anything, they'll heal. There's also this way. So this way, there's only one door. There's a nice area over there to wait. And you can just ask the doctor, you can just talk. It's nice to see you again. And then you can ask it to heal your family. I just said yes. Oh yeah, I've got an offer. Yeah. Trade. Yay. Trading stuff. I'm just doing I mean, they might want a pet still, and they might accept it. There you go. They denied it. Or something else, because I can't see them anymore. Maybe their battery died. So, why don't we hop on the vehicle? And, oh, my friend's on. I'm going to drive them back to my house. The coffee shop and the ice cream shop. In the coffee shop you can get a type of bee. You don't know which, but you have to do that. I'm going to close it off for now because I think we've been long enough. I've told you, don't trust trade and don't scam. So I think that's going to be it for now, and see you next time. Bye.